Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Pickleball paddle set that the brand CALMCREST sent to me for this video review. And I have to say that I've tried it and they're super cool. Not only because these are approved by the USA APA for tournaments, for example, but also these are super lightweight. They weigh no more than 8 ounces, so that's something super cool. They have a really nice thickness of 13 millimeters, so that will help you to strike more evenly and more precise as well. But what I want to do is I want to show you what you get out of the box, and for sure take you on a close-up so you can see how good these are. And you know that they take care of the clients by adding these 2 pouches right here. So I wanted to just take a moment to show you how to properly put this wristband that comes in a pack of 2. You can see right here that you kind of like slide your hand through the loop right here with the Velcro up, and then you secure it just like this. And you're pretty much done. So you can see that looks really nice. It comes in a pack of 2, so you can put each one of this in your wrist. And I just want to add something that I think it's really important. It could be really good. That they're a small business brand. They're pioneered by graduates in material science. So actually, if you want to kind of like take into account that when deciding which one to buy, I think that could be a really good thing. So as you can see, the bag comes with a strap, so you can actually put it on your shoulder if you want, or if not, you can actually just have it from the handle, and that's it. So let's open it up. So right from the go, you can see that this is a good quality set because of the rubber that has right here on the grip. I actually left one of them so you can see how they come. They actually come wrapped right here with this protection, so that's super cool. And it also comes with 4 balls that you can use to practice or just add it to your arsenal of professional balls. But as I was saying before, this is one of the most important features of these paddles because the grip is actually really good. It is really well wrapped, as you can see right here. And also this honeycomb shape right here will help you on your balance, but the grip, it is really good. And then you're gonna find a super smooth surface right here, also with the thickness that I was saying before, about like 13 millimeters. So that's really thick, but also they're super light. And this protection right here on the sides will help you to maintain your paddle set for a longer time. I want to say about 500,000, I think, so strikes. So that's super good, and for sure it is a really lightweight but well made and crafted paddle set. I have to say this feels really good, super lightweight. As I was saying before, it's not super heavy as some of the other ones. It feels really good on the strike, and for sure also the grip will help you to maintain that balance. But the best thing about this is that these are also really good quality balls. I was not expecting that. Actually, I was practicing kind of like, I don't know, expecting for something like more practice balls, and these are actually really good. I have to say that these are a really good set. Yeah, these are pretty lightweight with an amazing grip, I have to say. Super thick, but also balanced, and with a really nice strike zone right here on the middle. So if you're thinking about getting your new paddle set, you know that with this, you're gonna have the bag, the 4 balls, the 2 pickleball sets, the pro wrist right here, and for sure something super good for you to have and take them with you on the go. Like it, I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.